Installing a bathroom faucet is simple. Even if you've never installed one before, you'll be able to tackle the project with some common tools. We're going to break down the installation process using a Koozzo single-handle faucet as an example. Before getting started, prepare all the tools. You'll need an adjustable wrench, a putty knife, a sealant like silicone or plumber's putty, a bucket, and a rag. Turn off the hot and cold water inlets underneath the sink before you remove the old faucet. Step 1. Remove the rubber washer, steel washer, clamp, and nuts from the faucet. If your faucet does not come with a gasket, or you would like extra security, apply a thin layer of the sealant to the bottom of the faucet. Step 2. Align the pipes on the faucet into the mounting hole. Use a deck plate to cover the extra holes if needed. Step 3. Place the rubber washer, steel washer, and the clamp with nuts back onto the faucet. Check the alignments, hand tighten the nuts, and then finish with an adjustable wrench. Step 4. Connect the supply lines to the hot and cold water inlets. Step 5. Install the drain. Disassemble the pieces of the pop-up assembly and remove the lock nut, washer, and gasket from the drain tailpiece. Step 6. Insert the drain flange into the hole from above the sink. Tighten the gasket, washer, and lock nut. Then, connect the tailpiece back to the drain and tighten. Lastly, connect the P-trap. Congratulations! You've completed the installation. Now, enjoy your new faucet.